a day after the Assam government made its announcement on stopping fund to madrasas, the Congress has now attempted to politicize this move. The Congress leader Udit Raj has said that the government must also then stop funding the annual Kumbh Mela, and this has now led to another outrage over such comments that has been made, where Congress's Udit Raj making such statements against the move that was taken up by the Assam government on teaching Quran cannot happen at the cost of government money. That was the statement made by the education minister there in the state of Assam, where Himanta Biswa Sarma, also speaking to Republic, also had said and had given a huge clarification on this move that was made by the state government. Listen in.
Everywhere Yogi ji does it in case of Hathras. And now he says that international conspiracy, Muslim angle. I asked him that where the Muslim who raped, where the Muslim who burnt at midnight. So Yogi Adityanath
All right, so this comes after the Assam government had made its announcement on stopping funds to madrasas. The Congress leader has now attempted to politicize it and has also issued a clarification on the same. Congress leader Udit Raj has said that the government must also then stop funds for the annual Kumbh Mela. And this is coming across after the notification with the Assam government said that they will be coming out in the month of November, where it will be mentioned that all the state-run madrasas that will be converted into regular schools, or in certain cases where the contractual teachers may also be transferred to those regular schools, and it will be converted into state-run schools as madrasas will be shut down. We have Himanshu with us, straight away going across to him. Himanshu, क्या इस मूव के पीछे सोच क्या है कांग्रेस लीडर उदित राज की? बिकॉज हिमंता बिस्वा शर्मा हैज आल्सो गिवन आउट एन एक्सप्लेनेशन कि इस मूव के पीछे उनकी क्या सोच है, ये मूव क्यों जरूरी है और एक पर्टिकुलर कम्युनिटी को टारगेट नहीं कर रही है असम की सरकार।
जी बिल्कुल, देखिए सरकार की तरफ से ये स्पष्ट किया गया था। हेमंत बिस्वा शर्मा ने खुद ये चीज़ बोली, क्योंकि वो वहाँ के शिक्षा मंत्री भी हैं। उन्होंने कहा कि देखिए यदि जो बेसिक शिक्षा है यदि वो बच्चों को नहीं मिलेगी, मुस्लिम समुदाय के बच्चों को यदि नहीं मिलेगी तो उनको रोज़गार नहीं मिलेगा, क्योंकि जो बेसिक एजुकेशन है उससे ही आगे चल के रोज़गार मिलता है। अब समस्या ये है कि यदि आपको धार्मिक पुस्तकें पढ़नी है, तो उन्होंने उदाहरण भी दिया कि क्या बेसिक शिक्षा में क्या दूसरे धर्मों की पुस्तकें भी पढ़ाई जाती हैं? बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ाई जाती। बेसिक शिक्षा में सिर्फ बेसिक शिक्षा दी जाती है, जिससे कि इस फिजिकल वर्ल्ड में आप कुछ करना चाहते हो, आप पैसे कमाना चाहते हो, अपने परिवार को पालना चाहते हो, उसकी शिक्षा आपको मिले और आप उसमें आगे काम करें, जिससे कि आपका भी विकास हो, आपके परिवार का भी विकास हो और देश का भी विकास हो। मेन स्ट्रीम जो एजुकेशन है उसमें लाने के लिए सरकार ये प्रयास कर रही है, लेकिन इसको फिर से एक बार, चूंकि बिहार का इलेक्शन चल रहा, तो एक बार फिर से इसको राजनीतिक रंग देने की कोशिश की गई। और सबसे बड़ी बात है, ये रंग किस बात पर दिया जा रहा है? धर्म के आधार पर। धर्म के आधार पर अब शिक्षा को बांटा जा रहा है। जब हिंदुस्तान में सभी लोग समान हैं, ऑलरेडी कह दिया गया है कि संविधान में सबको शिक्षा मिलनी चाहिए, सबको स्वास्थ्य मिलना चाहिए, तो जब शिक्षा की बात आ जाती है, जब स्वास्थ्य की बात आती है, तो सभी लोगों को स्वास्थ्य तो चाहिए है सरकार के उस पर, लेकिन जब शिक्षा भी यदि सरकार दे रही है तो सरकार जो सबके लिए दे रही है शिक्षा वही देना चाहती है, लेकिन धार्मिक रंग सिर्फ इसलिए दिया जा रहा है क्योंकि इलेक्शन आ रहे हैं और जो अदर पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ हैं वो लगातार हर विषय को सिर्फ और सिर्फ राजनीतिक चश्मे से देखने की कोशिश करते हैं। दूसरे एंगल पर जो दूसरा पहलू है, सिक्के के जैसे दो पहलू होते हैं, जो दूसरा पहलू इस पूरे मामले का वो ये है कि सबसे महत्वपूर्ण चीज़ ये है कि जो बच्चे हैं उनको मेन स्ट्रीम में लेकर आएंगे, जिससे कि जो सरकार जो पैसे खर्च कर रही है, जो न
Congress leader Udit Raj is joining us live. Mr. Udit Raj, there's a lot of anger around what you have said. You have essentially said that the spending on Kumbh is wrong. Do you want to, do you have a clarification on that statement, or do you stand by it, Mr. Udit Raj?
I will clarify provided you give me the opportunity to speak.
Go on, sir. Everyone's listening to you.
Will you give me opportunity to speak?
Everyone's listening to you. Please go ahead.
Please don't interrupt. Don't interrupt. I'll take 1.5 minutes. That's all. But let me allow to speak. You agree to it?
Sir, you've already wasted 30 seconds. Sir, go ahead. Go ahead. Everyone's listening to you. Nobody's stopping you.
Yesterday night, I was watching television. I could hear the statement of BJP leader Hemant Biswa Sharma. He said that religion should not be promoted at the expense of government fund. And then it struck to my mind. And I was just reading Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He mentioned elaborately in grammar of Enoriki that a state should be separate from religion. In other words, politics should be separate from religion. I just cited Kumbh Mela. I have not spoken against what happened over there. I said that in the eyes of the Constitution, in the eyes of the government, that every religion should be treated equally, one. And second, it was my theoretical, ideological intake. Nothing to do with even BJP, because I have not tagged BJP. Nothing to do with the Congress. I have not tagged Congress also. It was my personal view, what Dr. Ambedkar said, and what is the modern democracy. And I have not criticized expenditure. It was just citation. And I just supported Hemant Biswa Sharma. What's wrong in it? However, when it became controversial, I deleted because it was more misunderstood than understood by few vested interests that they want to encash in elections. That is what I have to say.
Yeah. Now, Mr. Udit Raj, now I'm glad you said that and you've had your say. But, you spoke about Himanta Biswa Sarma. Himanta Biswa Sarma and the government in Assam has issued a notification regarding shutting down of all state-run madrasas and around 100 Sanskrit tolls. So don't you believe, as a Congress leader and someone who spoke about all religions being treated equally, if Sanskrit tolls and state-run madrasas are being shut down, isn't that truly secular?
Brother, let me tell you, it is a contest in which I have expressed my idea, an idea of democracy, idea of relationship between politics and religion. That state should be above religion. And that is how the country which have prospered, they have followed this axiom, this principle. So what I said that it should be equally applicable to all religions. I am not said about anything Hinduism.
What is your response to all those people who are very upset with
Nothing.
you? What is your response to all the people who are upset with you? Let me read out some of the responses that are coming in on what you have said. They are saying that the Congress party often speaks up on such issues and on sensitive matters when it comes to one religion, makes comments like the one that you have made. Now, this is the reaction that is coming in. Mr. Udit Raj, how will you respond to that?
I told you that vested interest forces are there to encase in elections. That's why I removed my tweet also. I think I'm going to restore my tweet because that has not served the purpose. That when Mr. Yogi can do anti-Hinduism act, nobody questions. I'm questioning them back that how the dead body of the Dalit girl was allowed to be burned in the night against the Hinduism, against the Hindu rituals. Who has done anti-Hindu job? Has anybody questioned Mr. Mr. Yogi? So many things they do which go against Hinduism and its rituals. Nobody questions them. So I'm questioning back that gentleman should ask Mr. Yogi that why the body was burnt in the night against the Hindu rituals.
Well, Mr. Udit Raj, because one of those clarifications that is also coming, because that made you delete your tweet, was itself that it is not a religious function that happens, it is a cultural event. And to that, you've been facing a lot of backlash, and you were forced rather to delete the tweet. But you being a public figure and being a part of the political party, the Congress party, it becomes a little obvious that you will be connected with the party line that you are now seemingly trying to distance itself with. Thank you very much, sir.